May bagong Pinoy dito, guys. Sir, what is the name of your dress?
Hi guys, this is my brown white. I have another 3 cream colors. 2 Jovi she brought, one my friend.
This one your friend?
Yes.
So you're happy wearing this?
Yeah, it's very special dress. I like it.
So yan guys, magsimba kami. At yan yung sinuot ni Sir ngayon. At nandito yung alaga ko. Hi Jenny! So si Madam ay nandoon na guys. Maganda yan guys, puti. Meron isa niyan, cream color yung dala ko. Tapos yung isa, yung parang double ata yung klase. Tapos yan, yung friend niya ang nagbigay. Pero yung friend niya na Pinoy ang nagdala niyan, pero namatay na siya guys. Nung pandemic, namatay siya. Kawawa. So special yan para kay amo kasi friend niya yung nagbigay sa kanya, pero wala na guys. So subang balita ba ito binipito. So nandito si Madam. Yan si Madam guys. Oh my god. So yan, picture taking muna kami dito.